Do you have any questions related to a breast implant or a breast implant surgery? Just watch this video and I'm going to break some myths and introduce some interesting facts about breast implant surgery. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon and we've been doing breast implant surgery for over 11 years and I have an experience of over 500 such surgeries. Now, this is a breast implant. This is a round spherical breast implant, and when we talk of breast implants, we talk of the base diameter, which is the diameter from here to here. This needs to correspond with the available diameter of the breast. And we also talk of the projection. So this is the projection. The higher the projection, the higher the cup size. So for example, if the projection is an ultra high profile implant, the projection is high and it can increase the cup size from say B to a very large D. For a high profile implant, the projection will increase from a B cup to a D cup. If it's a moderate profile implant, the projection will increase from a B to C. So how do we choose the implant? Totally depends on what the patient wants. So we first do the breast diameter measurements, select the implant base, which is this accordingly, and the projection is then decided based on what the patient wants. Now for example, if all that a patient wants is to get rid of the padded bras, then we can just go in for a moderate or a moderate plus profile implant, which just creates 1 to 1.5 cup of enlargement, and that is sufficient to remove the padded bras. If the patient wants a better cleavage, wants to wear western clothes and wants the breast superior up top surface to show a little bit, then we go for a high profile implant, because this is where the breast now starts to become larger. If there is someone who's in the modeling industry, the fashion industry, and they really want those beautiful nice cleavages to show, then we go in for an ultra high implant where we enhance the breast volume a lot, the cup size increases a lot, and that gives a amazing cleavage whenever a v-neck type of a dress or a bikini is worn. A lot of aerobic instructors and athletes like to go in for an ultra high because they're otherwise the profile is slender. Most of them do not have very heavy shoulder bases. Therefore, very large base diameters cannot be selected. So we don't have the luxury of choosing a very large implant. Therefore, we choose an implant with a smaller base which fits the breast and a larger projection. Because what happens with aerobic instructors and athletes is they lose a lot of the fat on the chest. So they lose a lot of fat which is there on the breast and around. Therefore, we cannot choose a very large implant. So ultra high profile works beautifully for such people. So if you have any question related to breast implant surgery, please WhatsApp us or call us on 9811 994414, and we promise to get back to you with all the information. Once again, I'm Dr. Amit. I have a very large experience with breast implant surgeries, and if you want the best breast forever, please get in touch with me.